DJ Howard, and after 24 years in the financial sector, I'm now a DJ. Times are rough, and investment bankers are cutting back. Apparently, they didn't think that DJ Howard could make their balance sheet worthwhile. So now, I've started a professional DJ service to cater to your party needs. You might think that you can have an iPod with a freshman running the music, but listen, you're wrong. You need DJ Howard there. I know that you might think that 24 years as an investment banker does not qualify me to DJ a party, but you're wrong. Listen, DJ Howard's gonna take your party to the next level. Okay, here's your average party. DJ Howard is gonna take it up here. Okay, not down here, but here to the next level. Every time my boss was like, hey, DJ Howard, I'm gonna need your performance to be to the next level, I was like, okay, and I kicked it up to here. But apparently, they thought I went down to here, but I went up here. Okay, I'm not bitter or anything, but I just want you to know, DJ Howard will take your party to the next level. Check out this very colorful graph. As you can see here, from my very good business skills, I've created this very colorful graph. At the top it says awesome. At the bottom it says lame. Now here is your freshman week block party that they have next to Ada. Just to give you a little scale here. Here's your normal party in the middle of lame and awesome. Here is your DJ Howard party. Okay, it is so close to awesome, it pretty much is. So take that in when you're considering your party. I will take it to the next level. Cool. Awesome. Freaking sweet. You may be wondering how much a DJ Howard party is going to cost you. Well, not that many bones. You can get a DJ Howard regular party level razor for a sale price of $299.95. That includes DJ Howard mixing the beats on 2 turntables for 4 hours and a cool DJ Howard t-shirt. Okay, if you want the DJ Howard wedding pack, it's going to be $699.94. And what that is I'm going to be there at your wedding. I'm just going to be mixing everything, and I know the songs that you're going to want to play, okay? I know this. I've been to weddings. I used to work at an investment bank. I know, okay? And the father-daughter dance, it's going to be great. We're going to do the cha-cha slide and everything. I know it all. So $699.94, and we're going to have the DJ Howard wedding pack. For more information, you can visit www.djhoward-party.biz. Hit me up on Twitter and Facebook because I'm social networking. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Flickr, and I have an iPhone. And so I'm cool, and I know all the hit music that everyone wants to hear.